guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and trying all of the Boxy Charm products that I just unboxed for you guys in my last video. So if you did not watch that video, I will link it above for you guys to check it out. And yeah, let's get started. First, I'm gonna try to use this brow stuff. It's the Browgal, the Instant Brown Hair 02 Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. So I usually fill in my brows with pomade, so this will definitely be interesting and new, and we will see how they come out and if I like this color or not. I'm just gonna brush it, I think, in basically. That is the eyebrow. I feel like this stuff so far, it works pretty well, but it's more natural looking, I guess. So if you like your eyebrows to look a little bit more like naturally applied, this stuff will be really good. I like mine a little more in between, a little more like extreme, I guess is a good way to put that. But this isn't bad. So let's get the other one done and see how that goes. The only thing about this though is you need kind of a lot of it to actually get a good base. Like in my other eyebrow, I literally went back in for more product like 4 or 5 times just to get it like enough to like be full, because this the like spoolie on this is so tiny, but it doesn't look bad. I just feel like the product is like this big, so it's like this part right here. So this is the amount of product you get in this. It's very little. It is 0.113 ounces. So I feel like you would go through this really fast. So as long as you don't mind spending, I don't know how much this thing is, but as long as you don't mind spending quite a bit of money and running out of it really quick, then this stuff will work for you. But I personally like my stuff to last a long time, and that is why I buy the Anastasia pomade, because that little jar seriously has lasted like, I think it had over 8 months for sure, and there's still a good amount left in it. And when I first bought it, I was super crazy about filling in my eyebrows. I always filled them in no matter what, so it's lasted a long time. This I feel like won't last that long. I will use it probably till it's gone, and we'll see how long I can use it for, but I'll probably mix it with my other one because they're full, but they're not full enough for me, and this might be just a tad bit too dark for my hair color at the moment. So if you like natural brows, you will love that stuff. Alright, next I'm gonna put on this liquid highlight from Tarte, and it's like a goldish color. I swatched it in the other video, so I'm just gonna put this on my face and blend it in. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this little brush. We're gonna see if I can blend it with this brush or if I have to use my fingers. Okay, so the brush kind of blends it, but more of a finger blending type of product. I don't know if I would recommend using this on the nose, just because it kind of like messes with the product a little bit. And it's not as dramatic as I was expecting it to be, but my nose now has more of a, it just kind of like breaks up the product on your nose a little bit. But yeah, it's not too dramatic. So if you guys like more of a natural highlight, this stuff actually goes on pretty light. It's not like as heavy as I was expecting it to be for being a liquid. If you put it on your nose, put a little bit less than I put because it was just a little too much for my nose. Next we're gonna go into the You Had Me at Hello palette. The reason this has lips all over it is in my last video I scratched off the sticker, so if you want to see that, check that video out. I'll have it linked in this video like I said. But yeah, so this is covered in lips now. I re-stickered it. So that is why that looks like that. So this is this palette. It's super pretty and cute. I think the colors are just so beautiful. So I'm going to start applying this, and we're gonna see what kind of look we get. They do have names. Yay! Okay, so these do have names, so I'll tell you which ones I'm using. And yeah, let's just jump into this. I think I'm going to use Candygram, which is this top corner color here, and I'm gonna use it all over my lid. So that's the Candygram. It's just a really nice light shimmery base. Next I'm going to take DTR, which is this color right here. I'm just gonna put that in my crease. So far these eyeshadows are really pigmented. Really? Let's bring Peanut in. This is Athena, everybody. She is being crazy today. Hello, baby. She just wants to be loved, don't you? Well, I love you. Can you behave? Alright, ladies, go on with your bad stuff. Next, I'm going to use Luxie, which is this color that's right above it that I just used. It's got a little more shimmer and kind of a little more of a like a mauve tint. I'm just putting that in the crease as well. Next, I'm going to take this like fluffy brush, and I'm going to put 2 P's, which is this color right here, on the rest of the lid. Then for the last color I'm going to use, I will take, it's called The Knot, and I'm just going to put that on the inner part of my eye. I'm just going to go under a little bit with it. So that is the eye color. They're all very pigmented and pretty. They go on really nicely. You don't need a whole lot of product, which is awesome, so you can just barely dip your brush in and then go for it. You don't need to go crazy. It will be too much product, I think, if you do, unless you like it to be super crazy. It has just a tiny bit of fallout, which is, I think, normal for most eyeshadows, but not bad. Nothing too crazy to like mess up your look or anything like that. Now I'm just gonna do my eyeliner real fast and my mascara, and yeah. And I'm gonna do my lips real quick, and then I will show you how this color looks on. Alright, so this liquid lipstick is from Adesse. It does not have a name. I have no idea why. So I don't know what color this is that I got in that box, and it doesn't say on the little card that came with it either. I tried to see if it has a name, but I don't know what it's called, and it doesn't say anywhere. So it's just this really pretty, like, it's like a mauve nude color. It's really cute looking. It smells like Carmex. It smells really good though. Like, I don't know if you guys like the smell of that stuff, but I do. But anyways, let's put this on. The only thing about this stuff is it's like really like gooey. When you do pull out the little applicator, it does have like a string on it, and the string can get like on stuff, so you have to kind of be careful taking it out, or you're gonna get it on something, and obviously it'll easily probably come off. I don't know if that made any sense. It would easily come off, but it's just nice to avoid, you know? Alright, I'm gonna take my handy dandy little lip brush and carve my lips out a little bit real quick. Alright guys, so that is the lips on. Now I'm just gonna glue on my eyelashes real fast, and then I'll spray my face, and that will be the final look. What was that? The crawl space thing just fell. What the actual Calypso, what the He was up in the ceiling. What the cat? Sorry. What is life? Alrighty guys, so this is all the makeup on. I'm gonna spray my face really quick. And the lip stuff is not too sticky for lip gloss, so I do not mind it. And yeah, so this is the final look. All the products are really nice. They look good together. They went on well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to try any of these products out, you totally should. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good rest of your day. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys!